The much dreaded Toyota 4Runner back window. Computer cut pattern. Place your pattern on the window about 2 inches off the bottom. Start removing all the tension with a squeegee just like you see in the video. All the squeegee tension all the way down. Make sure and remove all the water from in between the fingers just like you're seeing here in the video. That allows the window film not to move upon shrinking. Use a wool pad for the shrink. This will allow you not to scratch the window film and leave no dust imprints on shrinking. Use your favorite heat gun. Attack the shrink from the bottom to the center just like you see here in the video. This window, as you can see, has a lot of shrink, a lot of curve. Okay, slide the rear window yay much, about 4 or 5 inches. Proceed to place all the tension back at the top area. Shrink from the center up, just like you see here in video. At least this is the easiest for me. After the shrinking, put it on a peel board. We're gonna go ahead and kind of like two-stage this pattern when you're inside the back window. So we're gonna go ahead and pre-wet the pattern just like this to facilitate the peeling when you're inside doing the installation. And the finished product should be something like this. Very clean, beautiful, flat, precise. Have an awesome day.